Nanubabo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? Actually sa vlog na to, papunta ako sa Chicken Claw main branch dito sa Dolores City of San Fernando, Pampanga. We've heard they are now serving CAJUN Chicken Inasal. We're gonna check them out, tingnan natin yung mga how they cook it, and ask more information about it, and then babalik tayo sa bahay para tikman naman natin. So tara, let's go!
Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over. Isn't it funny? Isn't it funny? I thought I won you over.
So there you have it, guys. From the road straight to our vlogging room. Syempre titikman naman natin yung kanilang mga CAJUN Chicken Inasal. So for those of you who doesn't know, and as a reminder to those who already know, no, Chicken Claw po is, very famous for their Cajun sauce or Cajun flavored seafood, no? I can still remember, guys, whenever we feature them, no? Sinaserve po nila doon yung mga crabs, shrimps, as well as Korean flavored chicken din. Available din po sila doon. This time being, meron na po silang mga bagong products. So these are CAJUN Chicken Inasal. For every piece, it's 80 pesos. Yung isang package naman nila, if you want to, take it home and cook it yourself, 320 pesos naman po yun. It has 4 pieces of chicken inside that package. So since galing na rin ako doon, so available din po yung Samjang Korean store dun sa restaurant natin doon sa Chicken Claw Dolores branch. So I bought this seasoning and it's perfect, as a rice topping. Okay, so tikman natin. Siyempre, gusto ko yung hita, paa. Yan. So this is the thigh and legs part. Let's taste it as is muna. Wow! Grabe! So if you have been, eating at Chicken Claw, talagang very memorable yung flavor ng Cajun crabs nila. So if you miss that flavor, try something different naman as, Chicken Inasal. Available po yung flavor na yon. So when you buy there, the package comes with the chicken oil. Of course, you drip it on top of your rice as well. So ito yung normal chicken oil na kikita natin sa mga ibang chicken inasal, but this time it's a Cajun oil. And then we also have our soy sauce plus chilies and some calamansi. Okay, so let's dip in our chicken skin Cajun style. So kakamayin ko na to, guys. Alam mo naman, pag kumakain ko sa mga chicken inasal, you gotta use your hands. I gotta have another one. They grill it into perfection. Brown in the outside, super soft meat in the inside. What else can you ask for, guys? Yaman na, guys. Super duper Cajun flavor. Nga pala, so available cuts. So meron tayo ditong wings and breast. Ayan. Meron din tayo ditong legs and thigh. So again, per piece, it's just 80 pesos. But if you wanna take home and do it yourself or cook it yourself, yung isang package po nila is just 320 pesos for 4 pieces of chicken inasal, Cajun style. Alright, so guys, I appreciate your time watching this video. If you like the food you saw in this video, chicken inasal, the Cajun style, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Make sure guys, itag mo yung friend mo na nagki-crave na ng chicken inasal. So there you have it, guys. Thank you for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, please stay home, stay safe, and God bless us all. Peace!